deemed squashed. That's the first flash that's come in. Licenses granted to telcos after the Jan 2008 period are deemed squashed. That's the first flash that we have on the big story. Remember, there is, of course, that talk about how the money that these companies invested in buying these licenses, what happens to that, whether there'll be a refund or there will be some penalty put in place for some of the telecom majors. This is the only flash that we've got. Keep an eye out for all the telecom stocks. I'm seeing Reliance Communication fall quite considerably, down about 5%. TRAI to make fresh suggestions for grant of licenses. But yes, those licenses, as we understand, given the sharp reaction that we're seeing in stocks, those licenses have been cancelled.
Yes, this would be a big negative. Watch out for all of those stock reactions as well. Videocon, Unitech, Idea Cellular, all of these would fall down. So, I'm guessing that the Supreme Court has actually found merit in all that CAG had to say. Remember, they had found all the 122 licenses illegal in the audit. And this is a big negative. Before we talk more about this, if we have Devdatta with us, okay, we do have guests coming in already to speak about this verdict. Prashant Singhal, telecom industry leader, ENY, joins us right now on the phone line. Mr. Singhal, thanks so much for joining in. As we understand, licenses granted to telcos after Jan 2008 have been quashed. What do you make of the verdict?
I think it is a big negative, and it kind of will not only have a negative on the sector, but it's a big negative on foreign investment into the country. And we'll need to see what the details of the verdict are, but it's kind of unbelievable, because the companies who have got the licenses, there's really nothing wrong with the international players who've come and invested in the country, and they've come into the country with the right intentions. They've made investments, they've grown the sector, and you find these licenses being cancelled. It's a big negative development on the sector.